Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Suculentas is probably one of the most rewarding plants to have at home, offering a unique blend of beauty, resilience, and low-maintenance care. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a beginner, this video will guide you through selecting the perfect succulents for your space, ensuring they thrive under your care and bring joy to your home for years to come. Number 5. Anoak Artificial Succulents. This set includes 16 highly realistic artificial succulents, perfect for adding a touch of nature to any space. They're sized for versatility in your home, office, or garden. No more watering, fertilizing, or pruning. These faux succulents save you time and effort, while still providing a vibrant, natural look. Made from safe, odorless PVC plastic, these succulents are pet-friendly and durable. Their realistic texture adds a touch of elegance without attracting pests. With 16 unpotted succulents, the decorating possibilities are endless. Use them in wreaths, planters, terrariums, or mini pots to create unique arrangements. Give the gift of greenery without the upkeep. These artificial succulents make a unique and thoughtful present for any occasion. What we like? It's a big set of artificial succulents, looking very realistic. You don't need to water or care for them, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for a large, low-maintenance decorative set, this is perfect for you. Number 4. Costa Farms Succulents, 25-pack. Bring home a beautiful collection of mini succulents and enjoy a desert feel in your home. They're easy to care for and will liven up any space. These little plants can make you happy. They'll provide fresh air and a sense of calm, improving your mood and reducing stress. They're packaged with care and delivered straight from our farm. Each assortment is a grower's choice, and there may be duplicates. They make wonderful gifts for birthdays, weddings, or any occasion. Your recipients will love these farm-fresh plants. These mini succulents are perfect for tables, desks, or windowsills. They're already potted and ready to enjoy right away. What we like? These are real, live mini succulents, perfect for adding a touch of nature to your home and boosting your mood. They also make wonderful gifts for any occasion. If you enjoy the calming presence of live plants and want to give a thoughtful present, consider these. What people say? They were packed very well and only lost a few leaves in transit. I estimate that there are 8 different varieties in the 25-pack that I received, and they are varying in size, color, and shape. But these plants came expertly packed so securely that they could not budge an inch and get damaged. The condition of the plants was outstanding. Each little baby looking happy and ready for its new home. I did not lose one plant. The selection is great, plants very hardy. I loved how well the item was packaged. The succulents are first completely covered in a special paper shred, then saran wrapped tightly all around multiple times, very securely. All the succulents were alive and gorgeous and much bigger than I expected too. Number 3. Fake Succulent Plants Kit. This kit brings you 17 realistic artificial succulents in 15 unique styles. They're perfect for adding a touch of nature to any space, without the upkeep. With sizes ranging from 1.5 to 5.9 inches in diameter and 1.9 to 31.9 inches in length, it offers a diverse selection to suit your decorating needs. Find the perfect fit for every corner. Made from high-quality PVC plastic with flocking, these succulents look incredibly real. You'll be amazed by how lifelike they appear. Say goodbye to watering, sunlight, and fertilizing. These artificial plants require no maintenance, saving you time and effort. Enjoy the beauty without the work. These artificial succulents make a wonderful gift or a beautiful addition to your home or office. They add warmth and style without attracting pests or needing any care. Love these artificial succulents? Check out our shop for even more styles and varieties to complete your collection. Find the perfect plants to match your style. What we like? This pack offers a variety of artificial succulents, with some having extra long stems. They look incredibly lifelike and are perfect for adding a touch of greenery to any space. If you want a diverse collection of artificial succulents with long stems for creative arrangements, this is the one for you. What people say? Real looking and will look awesome on front porch. Have made 2 planters now very nice quality. These succulents look real from the top. Once placed in an arrangement, no one could tell the difference. There was a large variety of sizes, from small to pretty large. They are very well made, realistic, and brighten any room. Number 2. Rose Succulents Set. These aren't your average plants. They're beautiful, realistic artificial succulents, perfect for adding a touch of nature to any space. This set includes 6 different small succulents, each already potted and ready to display. They're small but perfectly formed. Measuring approximately 5x 4.75, they're ideal for shelves, desks, or windowsills. They also make great gifts. Made from high-quality plastic, they're durable and safe for indoor use. They look so real, you'll have to touch them to be sure. Say goodbye to watering, sunlight, and fertilizer. These require no maintenance, are easy to clean, and will never fade or fall apart. Use them to brighten up your bedroom, living room, bathroom, office, or anywhere you need a pop of green. They create a comfortable and inviting atmosphere. What we like. This set includes 6 small, already potted artificial succulents. They're adorable and require absolutely no maintenance. If you want a simple, charming, and low-maintenance decorative set, these are perfect. What people say. They're the perfect size for small sills or shelves, adding just the right touch of greenery. They arrived exactly as described, carefully packaged, and looked incredibly lifelike right out of the box. I've gotten numerous compliments from visitors who genuinely thought they were real. Unless you did not know they were fake, they look real. I have them on the glass shelf in front of my kitchen window. Number 1. SEEKO Artificial Succulents. Introducing hyper-realistic artificial succulents that look and feel just like the real thing. No more worries about watering or sunlight, these plants are always perfect. These faux succulents come in a variety of sizes, from 2 to 7 inches. Their bendable stems make them ideal for DIY projects, from wedding cakes to home decor. They're designed to add life and warmth to any room, no matter your style. Whether it's modern, rustic, or something else, they'll fit right in. Use them to enhance your home, office, or event decor. They're available in various pack sizes to suit your needs. With SEEKO's artificial succulents, enjoy the beauty of nature without the maintenance. Bring a touch of green to any space with ease. What we like. This large set contains many realistic-looking artificial succulents. They're perfect for various DIY projects and home decor styles. If you need a big, versatile set of artificial succulents for crafting or decorating, this is a great option. What people say. They are the most lifelike succulents I've seen. They can be used in wreaths or planter arrangements. They'd even be a lovely addition to a wedding bouquet. There is no odor present. The colors are realistic. Easy to make succulents arrangement. I made one for a friend's birthday. I used a floral block and stuck them in. They stay without glue. The plants look real. The plants feel like high-end artificial plants. They are not flimsy at all. There are several small filler plants to hide bare areas. The largest plants are about the size of the palm of your hand. Colors are nice and earthy. Truly naturalistic. There are some reddish-brown undertones on some plants to add depth. Very realistic. Great quality too. I have co-workers with living succulents at their desks who thought these were genuine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.